Hello guys, in this video I will teach you how to create a URL shortener program in Python. Alright, so first of all, what is a URL? A URL is nothing more than the address of a given unique resource on the web. Alright, so the first step is to install one package. So if you are using pycharm like me, just go to preferences and then Python interpreter, click this plus sign, type shortener. I've already installed it, so there's no need for me to do it again. Make sure to install it, and then we can now use it. So I will type import shortener, then I will create a variable called URL, and then to get the user input, enter, we'll say enter your URL. And we're going to print a new URL after shortening. And I'll use this library that shortening. And URL short, and then I will pass my variable inside this function. Okay, I think that's it. So what we need to do is to, I will use, for example, Netflix URL. I'll copy it, and then let's run our code. Enter your URL. So I will paste Netflix website URL, then tap enter. I get my URL after shortening. Let's copy it, and then let's see if it's working. So I'll paste a new URL here. Voila, our program is working, our URL is working. So that's cool, that's nice. Okay, so that's it. Hope you got some value from this video. Feel free to like, share, and comment, and subscribe also if you haven't yet. And see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.